Let's say you have an amazing product, but your website looks bad, or you didn't build it properly. Obviously, you're not going to get sales, right? Hey, I've been doing e-commerce since 2017. We also teach people how to build successful e-commerce businesses, and students inside our community have generated over 100 crore rupees in combined revenue from their own brands. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own Shopify store, step by step. I'll be sharing my screen and walking you through everything. So if you watch this video till the end, you honestly won't need to watch any other tutorial. In fact, I'll also give you bonuses, templates, pages, and resources that you can directly use for your own store. So let's jump straight into it. Before I share my screen, let me quickly tell you what we're going to cover in this video. Website header and footer, themes and store settings, product pages, collections, branding, important pages every store must have. All right, let's go to my screen. Creating your Shopify store. First, you need to create your Shopify store. It will show you the best available Shopify offer at that time. You'll enter your email address and click Start Free Trial. Shopify will ask you a few questions. You can skip them. Select your region, India, then sign up using email or Google. This takes literally 2 seconds, and you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is what the Shopify dashboard looks like. Here, orders will appear. You upload products, customer data lives here. Analytics show traffic, conversions, average order value. Marketing channels connect here. Discounts are created here. Website customization happens here. Apps are installed here. Store settings live here. We'll cover everything. But first, let's talk about themes. Choosing a theme. Go to Online Store, Themes. Shopify offers many free themes. And honestly, you do not need a paid theme when starting out. Click Visit Theme Store, filter by free, and preview different themes. For this example, we'll choose Dawn. It's clean, modern, and works great. Click Try Theme. Shopify installs it in the background. Once installed, click Customize. Customizing the homepage. This is a drag and drop editor. If you don't like something, hide it. If you want it back, undo. Let's say we're building a music accessories store. Go to Explore Free Images, search for music, and select an image. Add a headline like, the go-to place for music enthusiasts. Your Shop Now button appears automatically. That's your hero section done. You can add or remove sections, but keep things simple. Products will show once we upload them. Below that, email sign up and footer appear. Creating a product to go to products, add product. Upload product images first. For this example, we're selling earbuds. Once images are uploaded, go to ChatGPT and ask, give me modern tech-style product name ideas for earbuds. Pick one, for example, Kotex earbuds. Now for the description, copy key details from your supplier, Alibaba, etc. Paste into ChatGPT and ask, create a short, simple, benefit-focused product description. Paste the final result into Shopify. Pricing example. Cost, 200 rupees. Selling price, 1,000 rupees. Compare price, 1,500 rupees. You can add variants like colors if needed, but skip it if unnecessary. Click Save. Preview the product. This is how it appears on your store. Finding winning products if you don't have one. If you don't know what to sell, use tools like Facebook Ad Library. Use product research tools. I personally use one, link below. You can see winning products, ads running creatives competitors are using. You can take inspiration, not copy. Creating collections, categories. Go to products, collections. Create collections like earbuds, earphones, headphones. Add products to each collection. Use free images from Unsplash for collection banners. Upload images, add short descriptions, and save. Now go back to Customize, Homepage, and select which collections you want to display. Your homepage now looks clean and professional. Branding, name, domain, and logo. Use ChatGPT to generate brand name ideas. Give me trendy brand name ideas for selling audio. Example name, Audio Bliss by your domain. Through Shopify or GoDaddy. Draw any provider and connect it. Creating a logo, free, use Canva. Search for music logos, add your brand name, customize fonts and colors, download and upload it inside. Online store, themes, customize, theme settings. Logo adjust width and alignment. Mandatory pages. Every store needs go to settings. Policies. Use Shopify's templates for refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, replace email details and publish. For shipping policy, use ChatGPT or a shipping policy generator. Paste and publish adding pages to footer in menu. Go to online store, navigation. Add refund policy, privacy policy terms. Contact about us. These should appear in your footer and main menu. Mobile optimization, always check mobile view. Your store should look clean, fast, and easy to navigate on mobile. Final theme and store settings. Inside theme settings, you can customize colors, fonts, button styles, animations, cart drawer behavior. Check out branding, inside settings you manage. Payments, shipping rates, taxes, domains, notifications, languages, users, and permissions. Closing and call to action. I hope this video helped you understand exactly how to build a Shopify store from scratch. As I mentioned earlier, we help people build e-commerce businesses through our mentorship programs, and our students have generated over 100 crore rupees in revenue. We have different programs depending on dropshipping, print-on-demand, brand building. If you found value, like the video, subscribe for more e-commerce content. Comment your questions below. I'll see you in the next video. All the best.